Welcome to this room tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, room 5284, a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, grand villa. The main entryway here to the right is a bathroom. And a shower. Right across from here we have your laundry and storage room. A lot of space there. Ironing board and iron. Here's the living area, which leads to its own balcony. And we'll head this way. You have your own pool table. How fun is that? Again, you have your section balcony dedicated to this area. Gorgeous. Okay, and here's a master. Also with its own private balcony. Look at this closet. Plenty of space. There's a television conveniently located in the bathroom where you can watch from your tub. Who's that in a mosaic? Water closet, and if we can find the light, the shower. Not yet. Stay tuned. See if I can figure that one out. Will that help? I still don't see the one for the shower. That is nice. You have his and her stations to get ready. And of course, that jacuzzi tub cannot be denied. And since we're here, we'll just go from the bedroom to the balconies. With nice chairs to sit and watch the sunset. And of course back into the pool room and into the living room. And while we're here, we'll just look at this balcony where we have a table and chairs. We can sit outside, get something to drink, have a bite to eat, and watch the beautiful animals. Here's the kitchen area. Beautiful table to sit and have a meal with. Easily can fit 10 around that table if I'm not mistaken. 3 bar stools, and here's your kitchen. kitchens are usually fully stocked. We'll take a look here. Actually, we'll wait for the next video. We just want to walk you through right now, give you a feel for this particular room. Okay, here's bedroom number 2. It's got a large closet there. And another balcony. And back into the 3rd bedroom we go. Nice desk to sit, take care of business if you need to while you're here. And plenty of storage space. Another closet. Engineering was just here fixing these lights, which look nice and accent the art. Let's get this final bathroom. Nice shower. There we go. Water closet. And there's your vanity. All right. There's your extra door. So you have 2 entries, which is nice. Same bathroom, which leads to the kitchen, and this door closes for privacy. So you've got these 2 bedrooms, have their own entryway if they need it, and then you've got all the other living area additions. All right, we'll do a open door, open drawer tour here shortly. Trying to get this in before the sun goes down. Try to enjoy the sunset a little bit while we're here. See the etchings there.
Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which room tour you would like to see in the comments.